For this video, we need to find the x and y intercepts as ordered pairs and then graph this line. So something to keep in mind is when we're finding the x and y intercept, what other values are. So let's just say this was the line. So the x-intercept is the place the line crosses the x-axis. So this would be the x-intercept. Now what would y equal at this x-intercept? So here we can see y is 1, y is -1. So on the x-axis, y equals 0. So always for the x-intercept, y equals 0. Similarly, we have the y-intercept is where this line crosses the y-axis right here. Okay, this is our y-intercept. Well, what would x equal at the y-intercept? Similarly, we have x is 1 here, x is -1. So on the y-axis, x equals 0. So anywhere on this y-axis, x is 0. So that's really helpful to find the x and y intercept. So just going to write over here x-intercept. We know y equals 0, and so we can just plug that in. So 4x plus 5 times 0 equals -20. When we multiply by 0, it makes it cancel that term. So 4x equals -20. Divide by 4, and so x will just equal a -5. So when we write that ordered pair, we can write -5 and then 0 for y. Okay, we'll do the same thing for the y-intercept, except this time x will equal 0. So we use the same equation. 4, now put 0 in for x, plus 5y equals -20. The zeros cancel. We get 5y equals -20. Divide by 5. Notice the sign is positive in front of 5, and so it did come down positive. We want to always make sure to keep the sign in front of the term. So divide by 5 here. -20 divided by 5, we're just going to get y equals -4, and so we'll have the point 0, -4. Okay, now we just go graph these 2 points. So we have -5, 0 right there. We have 0 and then -4 for y, and so that will be our line. We'll see if I can, oops, nope, couldn't draw a straight line, but you get the idea. Line through those 2 points. Let me know if you have any other further questions.